Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to use mouse on MSI Claw 7. So, when we start using the left joystick, the mouse appears, as you can see. So the left joystick is for controlling the mouse. When we want to click on something, for example File Manager, then we click A. So A acts like the left click on the mouse. No, I don't want, I just want to open it. Oh, because I'm clicking B. That makes so much sense. And the B acts like the right click, as you can and could see a moment ago. That's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.